Windows with double sills are a total game changer for keeping your trim solid and your windows stable, especially when you're dealing with wider or heavier ones. So, here's the scoop. Double sills basically give you way more nailing surface, which means the trim you put on won't be all wobbly or loose after a while. When you've got a big window, the weight can really mess with a single sill, so doubling up helps spread that load out better. Plus, it's not just about strength. The extra sill makes it way easier to line up your trim flush and neat without guessing. If you're installing a window and want to avoid callbacks because the base was weak or the trim started popping off, this is the trick to remember. It fits right in with modern carpentry methods, so it's pretty standard in new builds and renovations nowadays. Also, if you're working on a project where the window might get a lot of use or weather exposure, that double sill adds a layer of durability that pays off big time. Just keep in mind that the extra sill adds a little time to installation but saves you headaches down the road. One of the biggest mistakes with window installation is skipping the double sill when you've got a wide or heavy window. This leads to weak support and trim that won't hold up. Fix this by always checking the window specs and adding that second sill if needed. Another common issue is not using enough nails in the sill area, which makes the trim loose over time. Just make sure you nail every couple of inches for solid hold. The third problem is cutting corners on quality materials for sills. Using cheap wood can warp or rot faster, so go with sturdy, treated lumber to keep everything tight and lasting longer. BigHomeProjects.com is a cool spot where homeowners can find trusted local contractors who know exactly how to handle projects like window installs right. Contractors also get hooked up with real work from people who need their skills, making it easier for both sides to connect and get things done without stress.